lie back down, and it's right there.
Oh! Oh.
There we go. Excellent. So we'll see if we can get that atlas a little bit.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is the only immunity system I need. My adjustments.
That's there.
Oh, that is seriously the best when you do that. Oh, holy fuck. Sorry. Oh my god.
What's going on today?
I'm just getting my checkup.
Okay, flying in from where?
St. Louis, Missouri.
St. Louis. What's the name of your business?
Boss Brows.
Boss Brows.
That's my dad.
Okay, what is Boss Brow?
So I microblade and I'm pretty much hunched over all day, and so I feel a lot of tightness in my upper back and shoulders, and I hunch over so my shoulders kind of roll in.
Okay.
And then it also makes it where it's harder to grip.
Okay, so let's see what we can find. Yeah, because the brain controls all the body parts. It does it by sending messages through the spinal cord, out through the brachial plexus, to those, all the way to those fingertips, and then down to all the vital organs and back up. So you got to, the spinal bones are there for protection, but when they're out of alignment, it will block some of those messages and cause the body to go out of balance.
Yeah.
So, feel that there?
Yes.
So the body's out of balance, it breaks down under stress. When the body's in balance, it gets stronger from certain stresses. That's why some people work out and they break down because they're out of balance. People that work out and they're in balance, they get stronger. The body adapts. That's the way the body works. There. Okay, a little on that. Okay, line this side first. Good. Good. Good.
Oh.
There we go. That's good. Now let's go ahead and sit up. And let's see if we can open up your shoulders on this one, okay? Let's bring your arms this way. Let me just check and see what this feels like. How's that feel? Is that okay?
I mean, it feels really good, but it's tight.
Very tight.
Yeah, but it's a good stretch.
Okay, come on over here and have a seat.
Oh, I love this one.
About that one?
I like this one.
Okay, so lie back down, and it's right there.
Oh!
Let's have you lie on your back right here. Face up. So it will get kind of stuck forward like that.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to come in here, there.
Oh, that is seriously the best when you do that.
Good.
What is that doing? Like, why?
Well, you have 8 carpal bones in here, and sometimes they can get stuck, especially right there.
Do you hear that?
So we're going to just come in and traction out and...
Oh,
that's it.
like I'll say it's painful, but after it feels so much better. Like I just have to relax when you do it.
Hold on. Yeah, it's definitely one of those where it can be painful, but then feels good after you get it done.
Oh.
Good. Excellent.
Yeah.
We'll put your immune system up here.
Thank you.
So we'll see if we can get that atlas a little bit.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is the only immunity system I need. My adjustments.
Slide down a bit. Okay, so this one,
the one.
we're going to do the Y strap on you today because when you get hunched over a little bit, it creates more compression. So we're going to do this. Slide down a little bit.
Okay.
Right there. And lie down. There we go.
Should it be over my ears or
Just so
under?
it's comfortable, whatever is
Okay,
most
right there.
comfortable. Is that okay?
Yeah.
You just don't want to press on your rings.
Oh, holy fuck. Sorry. Sorry. Oh my god. Holy bejesus.
Put
A bleep over.
yeah, let's go
It's okay,
face
I'll
down.
teach you how. Oh, wow.
Just-
Are you laughing at me?
Oh, we're gonna have to have sensors.
Good.
Oh.
Beautiful. Okay, let's come on up.
It's okay, I have the sound for it.
Okay. All right, so we're going to check your other half here. Okay?
Yes.
All right.